I got these new sunnies from One Set. They're seriously so cute. I just can't believe how affordable they were. They are the new It glasses for me. I'm gonna wear these everywhere. I feel the exact same as like the Talk Care and Walkers and all that, and they were like $20, but I loved the like fade down into the tortoiseshell. I'll try to find the link for them because they should still be on the website if you guys are keen to get some. They are honestly so nice. I kind of don't even want anyone to get them because the less people that have them, the cooler and more designer they will look, but they're so nice. Okay, so how the house is coming along. I have finally sorted out this wall here. There's my degree down there. I need to hang it up. Curtains in here are still purple, so we are working on that. I wanted to get a new unit thing, but I'm just gonna like keep that for now. Do you guys like my mouse pad? It's off Wish. Do you guys still want me to show you those squishies I bought? Let me know in the comments because they've all arrived now, but I'm not sure if it's like irrelevant now. It's just opening some delicious smelling Lush stuff. It honestly all smells so good. Usually I'll like maybe a couple of things, like the scent of a couple of things per box, you know, like really like, but I love all of these. The Easter collection is lit. Just opened some mail and we got a little bit of makeup. I also bought a photo album, but that was just something I ordered. Put this on my Insta story actually before I open it because anything pink is like my aesthetic. I know I'm so annoying and fussy. And then we have this from L'Oreal Paris. It's dewy and glowy, so I guess the other one's just matte. So we've got all the shades here, which is cool. Definitely gonna keep, I think, Creamy Natural and maybe like Sand Beige or Buff as well. And then we have some brushes. Very exciting. This one, oh, they all just fell out. Whoops. This one looks really nice for blush. So that is in here, and out here we have the new wallpaper. What do you guys think? Okay, let me like come out here so you can get a proper look. I'm actually obsessed with it. It looks so good and the walls have a fresh lick of paint. This one was from a Guthrie Bowron, if anyone's interested and you live in New Zealand. Kind of like an off-white, like a cream color, but I didn't want the room to be too stark white. Got an antique lounge suite. I don't want to really show you in here too much because it's not finished. I want to put in like a chandelier. The vibe I'm going for is like a fancy vintage, like hotel reception, which I know sounds really weird, but I went to the nicest hotel in Sydney, I think it was, and it was like classical music playing when you went in, all this beautiful like rustic furniture, like beautiful rich leather tones, and there was chandeliers, like a grand piano, and I was just like, oh my gosh, I want to live here. So I'm kind of going with that vibe. I mean, this house is a villa, like a restored villa, so I feel like you need to honor that a little bit. I'm not going to do it completely modern, even though I love like a modern style. Just so excited. I want to get a bar cart for in here and get like really beautiful ornate glass, like decanters and stuff. Is that what they're even called? And if you guys have been watching me for ages, I feel like my face has been grey forever and I like can't figure it out because I have such a good blend. Like I can see, you know what I mean? I see it in the mirror, I'm like, nailed it, like it matches. But it's that bloody RCMA powder that I've been using. It like gives me a weird grey cast in videos and photos but not in real life, and that's why I was so confused for so long. I was like, what the heck? So I just used like a normal face powder today, and as you can see, like I actually match. Thank goodness. Translucent powder, you guys have got to be careful with it. Like, I'm quite pale. Don't believe what anyone says. Like, oh, it's silica free, it's talc free, it won't make a difference. It does. Okay, I was out here looking like a old rotten grape, like all grey. It's just not a good look. Don't do it. I like this coat. It's like fluffy. There's the coat on. It's so adorable. We're just looking through our old school yearbooks. Emma's sending embarrassing snaps. You look cute. Oh my god. That's like senior, so it's not as bad.
My side part. Oh my god, there's you!
Where?
You're doing a speech.
Oh my gosh.
You came second, Sally.
Did I?
Yeah.
Oh,
can you remember what your
high
speech
achiever?
was?
No, I can't remember.
Oh my god, that's so cute.
This is so embarrassing. 2010.
Oh my god, I should snap Amy. Look, there's David. Look at us here.
Was it emo?
Look, there's Kayla.
Oh, Kayla, he's so cute.
Oh my god, David wearing that.
Oh my gosh.
What were those days called? When you had to do stuff?
Prep. No.
No, it was like a
AEL. No.
No, it was like you talked about a business idea.
Oh.
And you had to pitch the business idea.
I thought it was prep.
Was that what it was called?
Public enterprise something.
I thought it was something to do with like
I remember, yeah, because I was with Jessica Old and we did like a UV patch that told you when you needed to reapply sunscreen.
Really?
Which actually exists now. I'm like, we should have done it.
Do you know what we had like sunglasses?
Oh, that you're gonna say the tampon one. The one that won was tampons.
What was it?
The screen changed colour when you used to change it.
It was a good idea though. Don't they have that now?
I don't know. I didn't think it was a good idea. It was Tyrone's group. And I was like, well, you don't want to pull out a dry tampon.
Yeah.
Like, you can tell when it needs to change. Anyway, I was like, you don't know Tyrone. I was just salty because our idea didn't win.
Ours was like sunglasses that you could take photos with, or like real like.
That's a thing, like Snapchat sunglasses.
Really?
Yeah. See, our ideas both came true.
What the?
I was so upset. My Japanese class all wore kimonos to the photo.
Oh, were you sick?
I think I was sick, yeah. Do
Oh,
you remember
yeah,
making those in woodwork? The nodding netties? My parents kept mine for so long and I was like, guys,
yeah,
I have to let go.
I hated making them. I was like, what's the point of these? Like,
Yeah.
they don't even look.
Needs to be like an oil rig.
Yeah, I know.
Oh, you're so
like
cute.
emo looking.
I love your hair.
I got
You
like,
should get a
oh
side
my
for
god, I
Jackie.
got like no makeup. You
Oh,
still
it's
that?
sad. He's
So embarrassing. Oh my god, it actually looks like I'm wearing a hat. That's why you don't have side fringes. I don't know if that's gonna zoom in or not.
It's because I got curly hair as well. I'm so little. I'm so
Your hair
little.
does look cute though.
And,
You almost look like you
here's
got like a
Tama.
perm.
I told
Oh my
you guys
God.
he was emo. This
That's
must be
10.
older. This must be
That's-
a 10.
Yeah, because I remember
Because
my
I'm
hair.
kind of trying here. Year 9 I have like big beard hair.
Oh, there's one of them and I've got like a full-on headband.
Oh my god, your parts
I
like
know,
over
it's
here.
huge, right?
Is my hair up or down? Like what's
I don't
happening?
know. Trying to flatten it or something.
Yeah.
We're breaking free. We're sorry.
Oh my gosh. Oh my god, I'm holding up a photo of my cat. Group photo for year 15 and see that photo? That's me holding up a photo of my cat Georgie. It's not okay.
That side part is still rocking it. Jesus, it's like 5 years.
Hi again, it is now the next day. I'm just waiting for the girls to come around and we're all going out for dinner. I'm just wearing Shannon's White Fox crop top. I've got the sorest tummy today, so the skirt has little pockets and I feel like it hides it relatively well. I'm just waiting for everyone to arrive. They're all gonna go through my makeup, which Emma already did last night, but I've just like laid it out. And then also there's like a festival thing on. It's not a festival like it's more like you just wander around and there's stalls. There's still acts, but it's like tribal drums and stuff. I don't know, but it's a chill vibe. It's really fun. People like travel for it. I'll bring my camera so you guys can like see what food we get. They do margaritas and like a frozen Coke machine there. It's pretty epic. I wish this was live so I could ask you guys what lip color I should wear because I just can't decide. Right now there's just like concealer on my lips. Probably just go for like a nude, knowing me. Just donate it. Say hi to my vlog, Ella. Hi. I put on a jacket. I showed my outfit before. It's from Showpo. One's off. I don't actually remember. I think they're from the Iconic, but they're very cute. Thank you. What was it? That's mine. No, not you.
And the watermelon?
Yeah. Oh my gosh. Man.
Wow. Make the most of every minute with your family.
Aww. See you guys.
Grasp opportunities to create the future.
Beautiful. What's your one?
Allow yourself to be spontaneous.
Hey guys. Okay, now it's time for my fortune. The most important one. It is. It's to be a good thumbnail. You'll be sharing great news with the people you love. I'm expecting this. Clickbait, I'm pregnant. Right. We're just going to WOMED now randomly. Ella and Ben are dropping us off. I literally, there's no point in me even vlogging, you can't see anything. Oh, there we go. So there's a light up.
You can do it when we get out.
Oh, wow. Red light district. Yeah, we got lost, but we're here now. This camera is a piece of poo, so you can't see anything. We're gonna get run over. Oh, it looks so pretty. This looks so cool. Those lanterns are at bits. So many bits. So many bits and bobs. About to get in this chimney.
It's just lights.
Oh really? Everyone's getting catfished by these lights. It's like we're in Las Vegas with all these lights. Oh, that's so cool. Wow.
It's like another DJ. Oh my god. This tastes like a DJ.
Emma and her new man.
How many videos are there?
Vlogging the donuts getting made. Oh my god.
Once again, greetings from my family.
Go Queen. Oh my god, she's so hot. I'm so zen right now. This is amazing. This guy's sitting on the floor. So I just got home. I think it's like almost midnight, but Emma and I left. This is like a life hack, like 15 minutes before the actual festival ended, and that way we were able to get a taxi. Otherwise I just know we would have had to walk home, and it's freezing. Is your pet like this? You go out and they think that you must be like staying the night somewhere else, and then you come home and they're like so stoked. She's like stoked with life right now. I need to find out the name of that last band. I was loving their music. So Emma and I have a 3-day pass to this festival, and we just like scored them for free. Long story, but we ended up going last minute after dinner. That guy in his socks, it was amazing. He's just like ding ding ding, like so serene. And he had like a scarf on and a hat and sunglasses, and he was just like playing in his socks, sitting on the floor. I'm gonna take off my makeup quickly now and go to bed, and then tomorrow we're doing it all over again. So let me know if you're enjoying these vlogs. I will vlog tomorrow. Thank you. I also wanted to say very briefly, I know you're probably like, end the frickin' vlog. I just wanted to quickly say I always get DMs from you guys on Instagram, and I would love to reply to you guys, but then it goes from others folder into my like normal inbox of people that I follow back. So many businesses, it's like kind of annoying sometimes, but so many businesses DM me on Instagram and like other influencers and stuff, and it only saves like 20 messages. It is so annoying, so I can't like lose all the conversations I have going. It fills up so quick. If I like reply back to you guys, I wish you could like categorize different like folders. I actually read a bunch of DMs, but I like can't reply or I'll lose all my messages. But do follow me on Twitter because I chat to everybody on there. I know not everyone has Twitter, but it's like simpler to have, I feel like, than Instagram. Obviously too, on like Instagram comments, I'll just reply to you guys, and YouTube comments, which is like my favorite place to reply to you guys. I really appreciated all the Roaccutane, Isotane, Accutane experiences that you guys left me. It really put my mind at ease for the most part. Some people did have really bad experiences, but putting faith in my doctor, like the regular blood tests, if something is going wrong, then I can just go off it. The main side effect I am concerned with, which is quite like not common, but they do notice like I guess a pattern, enough of a pattern in people taking this medicine for them to have to warn you for you to legally go on it, is like suicidal thoughts, which I don't have any. You know, I'm really good with my mental health most of the time. Nobody's perfect, of course, but one time a contraceptive pill did make me feel quite depressed, and I went off of that. Luckily I had a friend who like her pill had made her depressed, so I kind of made the connection, like that's why I was having like meltdowns. I was like by myself when I had them, but I had to actually step back and be like, this is not me, like this is crazy. So I'm a little bit worried about that. It's like not really what anybody needs in their life, really. So we'll have to see, but I had to sign like a form to say that if I feel depressed, I will let my doctor know. So we will see how that goes. Anyways, I'm just blabbing on, but if you guys want to hear, like I could do a proper actual full video about the medicine and the side effects, because there's quite a few serious ones you have to take into consideration. But in saying that, I feel like there's a very negative stigma around taking this medication. So yeah, I could do a video on it if you guys are interested, and maybe show you some like before pics of my skin. It looks fine in this lighting with all my makeup on, but like it's really not the best right now. So yeah, let me know. Oh, you could see you this whole time. I didn't even realize. One like equals one prayer. Okay, I'm gonna go. Also, it's St. Patrick's Day tomorrow, so that should be fun. Bye guys. Side note, does anyone else have this issue with their mascara? I have powdered my brow bone like 100 times. I love this Bad Gal Bang mascara, but like it always transfers on me. I'm so annoyed because I really want to love it. PDA, like my life is hard. Okay, bye.